I love the fact that I'm Welsh. For me, when I'm stood in that ring, you know, listening to that Welsh national anthem, it's unbelievable. It gives me that extra bit of grit, but like it also touches me like emotional as well. You know, I got the whole country behind me, and that's special, knowing that feeling. It means everything to me. We're in Gethy boxing gym. This is where I first started out. This boxing gym means a lot to me, to be fair, because this is where my grandfather brought me all them years ago. A lot of gyms didn't allow girls, so that was a big thing for me as well, coming here as a female, and it welcomed me. This gym opened that door for me to go on in my career, and that first step into the international squad to get me on the world stage. Being brought up in the valleys, it proper keeps you grounded, but also the people around you, they give you that hope and belief and support. And when I'm away all the time, coming home, I proper feel like home. Hello. I'm right now. How's it going? Being a valley girl, I talk about Wales, but being from the valleys means a little bit more to me. When I come back from Tokyo, from the Olympics, driving up the streets full of people, and yeah, I look up, and every time I drive home or come through, you know, Ystrad Mynach, when I'm driving up here, I'll always look up, and it reminds me, you know, how much the people supported me. Hiya. Hiya, how are you? I know this is unexpected, right?
We're local, you're doing really well, and it's good for us to support you as well as you supporting.
You know, that means a lot to me, because like if it wasn't for people like yourself, then I wouldn't be able to, you know, have my night and stuff like that, so I'm grateful, thank you. I gotta pinch myself sometimes, because it's still like, for me, like I keep my feet on the ground like I'm just Lauren Price, and it's a bit mad sometimes when I come back to Wales and everyone's like, oh my God, it's Lauren Price, but I obviously don't see myself like that. I'm just, you know, a girl from Ystrad Mynach.